Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1965, the Plaza Inn restaurant debuted at Disneyland. Originally called the Red Wagon Inn during the park's first 10 years, its remodel cost about $1.7 million, which is about $17.5 million today. The elegant Victorian furnishings were handpicked by Lillian Disney. The stained glass ceiling, marble foyer, and ornate woodwork were salvaged from a home in the St. James Park neighborhood of Los Angeles. A new buffeteria style serving was replacing the table service, and that was 60 years ago today. Kind of crazy, huh? Do you like that place? I think it's pretty great. Anyway, have a magical day.